One of our viewers from Liquid of Life, Aquatics and More said, I do not understand this. How is it Mother Nature can grow these plants without grafting? Or is this yet again something we humans have messed up? There is no grafting of plants in nature. So we're gonna try to answer this. So this is a Gymnocalcium mehanovici. If we compare this to humans, this is an albino where it cannot produce its own food because it doesn't have chlorophyll. So it needs a rootstock with chlorophyll, and this rootstock will supply food to this scion, which is an albino form of the. This is the regular gymnocalcium with green chlorophyll. Nature sometimes produce this kind of problems in DNA, and since they look cool, we can let them survive by grafting onto a rootstock with chlorophyll. It is similar to this, wherein the mother plant doesn't have any variegation, but some of the pups have variegation. So if we propagate this pup, this will produce more variegated pups. This is also what happened here. If you can see, this pup is more on green, so this can live on its own without grafting. But some pups are too yellow, too lacking of chlorophyll, so they cannot live on their own. They have to be grafted onto a rootstock with chlorophyll. Here's another example. This pup is so green, so it can live on its own. But on this side, this pup is too yellow and the other one is too orange, where there is no green pigment. So they cannot survive on their own because they don't have chlorophyll. Here is another example. If we can see, this mother plant is very green, but there is a growth here that is variegated. So if we cut this and graft into a rootstock, then that grafted version will produce more variegated versions of this one.